Guess these education hotshots had too much to drink out of their own think tank. They haven't just left things out of their curriculum that kids should be taught. They've been downright deceptive, too. Like showing clocks on this here SAPI or CSAPI or Fat Caddy tests. See where the long hand is about the same size as the short hand? And both hands are off center down here, so the long hand overlaps the numbers only on the top clock. Wouldn't this leave you feeling like maybe you couldn't read a clock when you knew you could? Perhaps this type of test question is why the young grown-up who did the math on the mud all out bottles made such a hash of it, and he or she was working for a corporation for Pete's sake. And this here think or no think tank has made real big money with their tests and their big ideas for math, which seem awfully rinky-dink to a couple of laughing gators they were so dependent on. If these folks were such hotshots, how come they couldn't come up with something decent on their own? Thieving good ideas and original stories from respectable folks, and then even twisting them and ruining them. Shame on them. Why, they done make kids feel like the only thing they know is that they don't know anything. They keep this up, and no one is going to calculate the name and number of some vicious beast. Maybe that's the really snaky idea behind it all. You got to have the right and proper understanding of math as a survival skill for the human race, even if it's sock puppet critters that's got to have the gumption to tell you. Okay, so Turk was a half-cocked idea. Who's behind Turk? And who's taken away our math? Granny thinks it's some cracked rich hogs. She calls them the Illuminati because they think they are so bright they can make education false. But they may be shorting themselves out soon. Not to worry. Here at Kids Math we have some sweetly simple solutions for you that work good and are easy on your brain too.
We're sure you can know all you need to know. To help or be helped, give us a holler. You hear?